What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If this your first time watching my channel, then welcome. Your girl is out here in the snow. I'm in Michigan with it, y'all. I'm in Otsego, Michigan. I'm picking up from USG paper. I was in Mackinac City for the weekend. I went up there to see my husband or whatever. And yes, y'all, it done started snowing Sunday. Mackinac is kind of like far up, like it's literally at the top of Michigan. Like you damn near in Canada. So I couldn't get a load all the way up there, but I got to Grand Rapids, and then my husband came and picked me up 3 hours away from there, and I stayed the weekend with him. But yes, y'all, they got a good bit of snow yesterday. When I got to the truck, my trailer was snowed out. My truck didn't want to move, y'all. Like, my baby say, I ain't used to that. This is our neck of the woods right here. But yes, y'all, I'm about to pick up this load, and it's going to Bridgeport, Alabama. So it's a 10.5 hour ride. It's getting preloaded right now. I'm so thankful that it's a USG and they tarp me, because I'm like, bro, my tarp is literally froze. Now look at this. I could just imagine having to deal with that right now. I just don't have time. My trailer isn't ready yet. They said it's gonna be about an hour, hour and a half before it is. So yes, but I can't say now, it's some nice views up here. It's too cold for me, a little too far for me. Like I said, the only reason I even came up here was because of my husband. But like the orange trees, it's just so tea. It's really giving the holidays. Look at all the snow. And yeah, we're about to go get our ass back to the south. It's like, my mama called me. It is like beyond cold out here, man. It is 32 degrees. It actually warmed up a little bit because it was 12 on the way here this morning. I used to live in the snow in Colorado, and they didn't do good at cleaning their roads, but I can say that they really take time plowing their roads and salting them. I left out like 4:30 this morning because it was a 3 hour ride back to the truck. Then yeah, like I said, when I got here it was an hour away. But yes, y'all, we finna truck back to the south, okay? Just came out here because it had been about 3 weeks since I seen my husband, because I know he travels with Circle K as a tanker. So yeah, that's why when I be saying I be going to this place and this place on the weekends, that's why I be going to go see him, because I don't stay out, okay? I don't stay out unless I'm going to see him, or if I'm going to see family or something like that. The lot is literally right across the street. This just a drop yard where you come drop your trailer at. Did I get here? I got here like 10:15, I think. Yeah, it's about to go on 3 hours. I'm surprised that it wasn't loaded, because I could have picked this load up on Friday. So yeah, I'm a little confused. My why it's not ready, but it's okay because I have until Wednesday to drop it off. I'm gonna try and drop it tomorrow, but it's already 1 o'clock, so obviously I'm not about to run too late. I might run till about 5, 6. Yay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Look at him jumping it right up in the front of me. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, about time. I need to go down and get this paperwork. That's a little walk. Alright. I think that's me. It gotta be me, because he said I was the next one to get pulled in there. I'm about to go down here. 10. I expect to be gone by lunch. But it is what it is. I ain't driving that far tonight. I got in Indianapolis and somewhere else. And one of them gonna be the 2 I stop tonight. One on 3 hours and 15 minutes, one on 4 hours. I don't know which one because up North Park can be a little skeptical, I've heard. So yeah, I ain't even gonna do all that tonight. As long as I got enough time to drop and pick up tomorrow, gravy.
This shit don't work, I'm going back drill. Lit up cause I know they watching, boy, I'm on your ass still. Don't say it just like Advil. Ain't gotta post my album if you don't, I bet no cap will. Bitch, I hit the curve still. They mad you signing me, but
I'm loaded, we ready to go. I got in 2 stops in here. One in Tipton, Indiana, and then one in Whiteland, Indiana, because honestly, I don't know which one I want to make it to. So we just gonna ride and see. They both got like 70, 80 spots. So yeah, they only like 45 minutes apart. So really, I might just try to make it to the Whiteland, Indiana, because that's as far as possible. Almost at my halfway mark. So yeah, let's hit the road. This is getting crazy, man. I can't even see for real. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. I cannot believe it. And then I just see like 5 cars y'all wrecked up. 5 people in the ditch already. I'm on 56 right now. This is not for me, man. I cannot believe I let myself get caught up in this mess. I was trying to make it at least around like Indianapolis area tonight, because I'm like, okay, in the morning I'll be able to book it out, and I'm right there at the Tennessee state line. I gotta check the weather. I don't know if it's snowing in Tennessee too, but yes, I don't know. I don't know if I want to drive through this tonight to get out of it for tomorrow, or do I just stop? What conditions worse in? Like I don't want to mess around and get caught out here and stuff. So I don't know. Right now I got 2 hours to the first truck stop that I had. I don't know. I'm just saying if I want to shut down there tonight. But I'm nervous of getting stuck there. I don't know. Decisions. We're gonna figure it out. Cannot see no more. Like this ice is starting to stick to my damn windshield. It's really not. Like my windshield like it got ice on it. This shit is crazy. This is not for me, man. Never again, man. Never again. And they out here. They really out here speeding like they don't care. This ain't nothing to them. That's why they ass in the ditch. in Tipton, Indiana. What pump this is? I'm about to go ahead and get some diesel so I can get me a shower. Yeah. The snow did stop coming down, so I think I'm gonna be good. I shouldn't get snowed in tonight. So yeah, y'all, that's a wrap for today. It's 5:30 right now. Oh yes. They got plenty of parking out here though. They got 70 spots, so I'm surprised. I see about a good 15. At least a good 15. Y'all be using the Loves and the Pilot app to start the pump? Well, y'all get out and put y'all hands on there. My stomach hurt. I got a shit. Good morning, y'all. I just went in the Loves and got me some cream because I'm out of cream. I made my own coffee in the truck, but I gotta get me some more cream. And I got some watermelons. I'm gonna try them because y'all, if you know, these watermelons be a hit or a miss. And it just upsets me so bad because I'm a watermelon lover. So hopefully these look a little red. Hopefully they're that today. I don't know where they be getting their fruit from. Every time I done got it, I only got a good batch one time. Once. So hopefully that's what we got today. And we finna try. It's 4:30. We're about to pull out. We got 7 hours left to where I'm going? Bridgeport, Alabama. Try another one. Nah, ain't it. That ain't it. Told y'all. Just been one time since I got some good melon. Ah, I keep forgetting to get the fucking tire pressure gauge, bro. I need to get a new tire pressure gauge. When I stop today, y'all, please remind me to get a tire pressure gauge. I don't know where mine went. Somebody done stole it. It's a little hot. Let's turn that down. Alright, y'all. Let's get it. Kentucky, y'all, got 3 hours left. This is a boring ride. We getting there though, slowly but surely. 4 miles to Nashville, Tennessee. And you best believe, baby, my truck ready today. Tennessee, play with it if you want to. I'll go through any stair house and not care. Stop. Oh, they be doing the inspection. But my truck's straight though. So I really ain't tripping. Yes, y'all, we getting there slowly. Only going 65.
Hope you know when you told nigga ain't no coming back real. Even though ain't seeing nada, I got your back still. I'm girl who thought that we ahead, you know. My first advance was tell, cause I know they watching, boy, I'm on your ass still. Most my niggas struggling might be curb still. Being real, money coming, sometimes I can't sit still. Pop shit like a big I was watching cars trying to blow. Take a damn water with the hoe. No shit, a queen, like a queen, and a hoe, like a hoe.
I'll beat your ass, no exception. Y'all know that lie, give me that 8 like a man. Hey, don't do shit with me, cause I'm telling you right now, if it's my life or jail, I'm choosing me. I'm snitching. I'm telling you right now, I'm snitching. Said in so many different ways, y'all. I don't know what I gotta say to get it to your head, but I'm snitching. I'm snitching. I'm snitching. I'm snitching. What's your initials? MT.
Alright, have you ever delivered paper?
No.
Alright, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go straight back that way. You're gonna come to a stop sign, make a left, and it's on your right hand side. It's gonna be dot B.
Okay.
I'll let brother, you're on the way.
Okay, thank you. To the stop sign. Make a left. What's gonna be on the right? Gotcha. I don't even know. I wonder if they gonna live unload me or if I'm dropping it. Because I'm at USG, y'all, so we usually do preloads. I never delivered to them before. I always pick up a preload. So I don't know how this finna go. Do I drop the trailer or are y'all gonna live unload me? Because I sure wouldn't mind getting another preload. The Lord would be so great if he worked that out for me, right? I'm
Right outside, TT.
And I got 30 minutes before I need to take a 30. Maybe this name rolling. Okay, put the stop sign. Make left. Oh, they got 2 preloads out here. They got me on that.
I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like butter. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a clean shot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting.
Let me go ahead and do my empty call. Let's see if the Lord on my side today, because this load was supposed to drop until tomorrow. But we made it a day early.
See my own brother, rather see my own turn.
My trip.
I can't even feel it out. Right now,
204-097. 204-097. 097.
I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside.
Been getting fat lately. This booty's got
Look at this fly. Where your ass at? Look at that ass here. Where your ass go? They get high, you bring that SWAT out. Pussy. Oh! Alright, let's go see. Fuck. You know what?
2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yo.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
When you down, when you on, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on. Making they ass like strippers, yeah. I'm packing that A like flipper. Yeah, this ice on me, I'm chilly. 3 times I went triple dipper, bitch. It's
All that low is delivered. The bag is secured. And just like I said, they got me a preload out here going up to some part of Fletcher, North Carolina. It's not far, only like 5.5 hours. I only got 3.5 left on my clock, so I'm gonna at least try to drive about 2.5 and see what we can see. And it is a 2-stop load. I don't like that, but before I sit today and don't make no money, I can go make this little $400. So I'm alright. But with that being said, y'all, like I said, I'm just gonna be doing these one loads with y'all and see if I can drop more videos like that instead of stretching y'all out for my whole week. I am hungry. I haven't eaten nothing all day. Literally jack shit. Whew. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Or leave an emoji. Or leave a period. Leave $1. Leave 50 cents. Leave whatever you want to leave. But drop a comment in my comments. And let me know that y'all made it to the end. Let me know that y'all even just heard me say that just now. Drop a comment. If you listening to me right now, drop a comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next video.